Today, a judge indicated one of the most controversial parts of the measure may violate the state's constitution.
Alma McCarty is in the newsroom. And Alma, this same judge has already pressed pause on other parts of the law.
Yeah, David, Laurel, with the whole law now on hold, it could be quite a while. We're talking months, if not years, before Measure 114 goes into effect, if it ever does. A law professor at Willamette University explained defendants supporting the gun control measure have to win in both federal and state court.
In Eastern Oregon, Judge Robert Raccio put a pause on two parts of Measure 114, the gun control initiative that voters narrowly passed in November.
The way the situation's been framed to the court is we have a permit to purchase component of ballot measure 114 and a large capacity prohibition, large capacity magazine prohibition. Those are the two issues, as I understand them, as they've been framed to me.
After Tuesday's hearing in Harney County, the judge took action on that first component, ruling that the permit to purchase requirement cannot go into effect until the state notifies the court that process is in place and operational. As Professor Norman Williams with Willamette University's College of Law explains, that's sure to take a while.
It's not just a question for the Oregon State Police. It's really a question for every county sheriff's office and every city's police department as to how fast they can get the permitting procedures up and running.
Then on Thursday, the state court judge released a written ruling putting the high-capacity magazine ban on hold until the court decides whether the ban is constitutional. Judge Raccio expressed doubts, writing that the large-capacity magazine bans promote public safety is mere speculation.
That ban cannot go into effect while we conduct a full trial on the merits of the ban on high-capacity magazines.
Williams expects that will also take weeks or months, and he believes the Harney County judge's word won't be the final say.
I think it's inevitable that the Oregon Supreme Court will be asked to decide this, but that's probably years away.
It's worth noting Measure 114's so-called severability clause, meaning if a court finds that one part of it is unconstitutional, that doesn't mean the whole measure fails.
So even if the state courts ultimately decide that the ban on high-capacity magazines is unconstitutional, that will not necessarily stop the permit to purchase requirements from going into effect.
Now, lawsuits against Measure 114 have also been filed in federal court. Williams said because this is playing out in both state and federal court, it can get a bit confusing to understand. But at this point, the measure remains in limbo and has not gone into effect. Laurel?